Welcome! In front of me is an iPhone 14 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. Now once your content is open and visible, same as it is for me, my home screen, you want to hold, or not hold, but press power key and volume up. Now you might be thinking volume down like any kind of other sane person using Android, but they had to change it up, from volume down to volume up to mess with everybody's perspective. So anyway, let's press both of those keys, just a single press, you don't need to hold it or anything. As you can see, it automatically captures that you have a flash, a sound, and also a pop-up right here. After a moment, it disappears. Once it disappears, you can then find your screenshot in your Photos application, and it will be visible in the library at the very bottom. You can see it right here. And let's see. And also you should be able to find it in albums under screenshots. So there we go, screenshots. And I have two. So there we go. This is the newest one. As you can see, it's still the same time even. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.